Welcome to our tutorial on how to search for GIFs when composing posts on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. After tapping the post icon, you'll be ready to add some flair to your tweets. Simply tap the GIF icon to open up the GIF library. From there, the possibilities are endless. You have the option to search for GIFs by entering specific keywords in the search box. Whether you're looking for a funny reaction GIF or a cute animated sticker, just type in your desired keywords and let the library do the work for you. Alternatively, you can explore the auto-displayed categories to discover trending or popular GIFs. Whether it's a celebratory dance GIF or a heartwarming hug GIF, Twitter's library has a wide range of options to suit your messaging needs. By incorporating GIFs into your tweets, you can add personality and visual appeal to your posts, making them more engaging and entertaining for your followers. Thank you for joining us. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to easily search for GIFs when composing posts on Twitter using your PC. Elevate your tweets with animated expressions and make your timeline come alive with creativity.